Imagine you're about to make a big purchase, but you're not sure if your GrabPay balance can handle it. Ever wondered what the limit is? Well, today, we're diving deep into the GrabPay universe to find out. What is GrabPay? Let's start with the basics. GrabPay is a digital wallet that lets you pay for a wide range of services, from food delivery to rideshare. It's a convenient and secure way to manage your finances. Types of GrabPay accounts. There are two main types of GrabPay accounts, GrabPay Wallet and GrabPay Card. The GrabPay Wallet is linked to your Grab account and is used for online and in-app transactions. The GrabPay Card is a physical card that you can use like a regular debit card. GrabPay Wallet limits. Now, let's talk about the limits. The GrabPay Wallet has a daily transaction limit, which varies depending on your country and verification level. Generally, the higher your verification level, the higher your limit. Here's a breakdown of the typical daily transaction limits. Level 1, lower limit. Level 2, medium limit. Level 3, highest limit. To check your specific limit, you can go to your Grab app and look for the wallet section. GrabPay Card limits. The GrabPay Card also has limits. The daily spending limit and ATM withdrawal limit vary depending on the type of card you have and your verification level. Again, you can check your specific limits in the Grab app. Factors affecting limits. Several factors can affect your GrabPay limits, including your verification level, your transaction history, your account age, your country. If you want to increase your limits, you can try verifying your account to a higher level or contacting Grab customer support. Tips for using GrabPay effectively. Here are a few tips for using GrabPay effectively. Check your limits regularly. Avoid making multiple small transactions in a short period. Verify your account to a higher level if possible. Use GrabPay responsibly and avoid overspending. So, there you have it. The GrabPay limit varies depending on several factors, including your account type, verification level, and country. By understanding these limits and using GrabPay responsibly, you can make the most of this convenient digital wallet. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.